Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on TECNO Phantom V. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. And you can click open. Then click on this button to skip introduction, click on not now and click open permissions. Now you have to click here on AI assistant to allow it to display over other apps. Then you can go back and click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, so you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.